Hello everyone. In today's lesson, we will continue exercise 2.2, question number 11. Bacheng's father is 26 years younger than Bacheng's grandfather and 29 years older than Bacheng. The sum of the ages of all the three is 135 years. What is the age of each of them? So we have to tell separately age of all the three persons. So in this question, we have Bacheng's father and Bacheng's grandfather. So father is 29 years younger than grandfather and 26 years younger than grandfather and 29 years older than Bacheng. So if we suppose age of Bacheng as x years, age of father will be, because father is 29 years older than Bacheng, so it means x plus 29 year is the age of father, and then 26 years younger than Bacheng's grandfather. So what will be the age of grandfather then? Age of father, it means grandfather is 26 years older than father plus 26. So this will be the age of grandfather. This is father and this is Bacheng. So solution is, let age of Bacheng be x years. Therefore age of his father will be x plus 29 years. And age of grandfather x plus 29 plus 26, which means x plus 55 years. So this is age of Bacheng, this is age of Bacheng's grandfather, and this is age of Bacheng's grandfather. Now according to question, sum of ages of all the three: Bacheng's age, Bacheng's father age, Bacheng's grandfather age. Sum of all the three is 135 years. So we will find from here what is the value of x. X, 3 times x plus 29 plus 55 will be 84 equals to 135. 3x is equal to 135 minus 84. When you subtract 84 from 135, you will get 51. X is equal to 51 upon 3. When you reduce it, you will get 17. So value of x is 17. It means, therefore, age of Bacheng, which is x, 17 years. Age of father, which is x plus 29. 17 plus 29 will be equal to 46 years. And age of grandfather will be x plus 55, which is 17 plus 55, 72 years. So these are the ages of all the three persons separately. Now next question we'll do. "15 years from now, Ravi's age will be 4 times his present age." So it means we should know what is the present age of Ravi. After 15 years, what will be the age? We'll add 15 in the present age. And also he will be 4 times his present age. 15 years. See, 2-3 points are here which is very important to keep in mind. First of all, we will suppose, let Ravi's present age be X years. Now 15 years from now, after 15 years, age of Ravi will be, if X is present after 15 years, 15 will be added. He will be X plus 15 years old. But as per the statement, after this is the age of Ravi after 15 years, but he will also be 4 times his present age. So according to question, this is Ravi's present age, but also at the same time he will be 4 times his present age. So this is also Ravi's age after 15 years. This is also Ravi's age after 15 years. So both the ages will be same. So now we will solve this. X plus 15 is equal to 4x. Transpose this x to right hand side. 15 is equal to 4x minus x. 15 is equal to 3x. Or shift both the terms. Change the side of both the terms. It will remain same. X is equal to 15 upon 3. 5. It means present age of Ravi is 5 years. You can check this. If present age is 5, after 15 years, 15 will be added. He will be 20 years old. And 4 times his present age. 4 times his present age is also 20. So this is 20 and 20 same. That is the checking only. Next question is, a rational number is such that when you multiply it by 5 by 2 and add 2 by 3 to the product, you get minus 7 by 12. What is the number? Children, if you remember, the similar type of question we have done in this exercise, which was question number 1. So we will suppose, let the number be x. Now read the statement and solve. First of all, convert this into mathematical statement. A rational number is such that when you multiply it by 5 by 2. So x is the number, or x is the rational number which we have supposed here. When we multiply this by 5 by 2, so this is done, and add 2 by 3 to the product. This is a product we have added here, 2 by 3. You get minus 7 by 12. So this is the equation. Now we have to simplify to know what is the value of x, or what is the unknown number. So first of all, transpose plus 2 by 3 to right hand side. So this term will be shifted to right hand side, and as well as multiply these two also. X into 5 by 2 will be 5x upon 2 is equal to minus 7 by 12. So here this is addition, right hand side it will be minus 2 by 3. 5x upon 2 is equal to, now rational number with different denominator, take LCM and then solve first. LCM of 12 and 3 will be 12. 12 ones are 1 sevens are 7. 3 fours are 4 twos are 8. 5x upon 2 is equal to 7 plus 8, 15. Same sign. Add the numbers. Put the same sign at front. Then this 5 by 2 is multiplied here. That side it will be divided. So x is equal to minus 15 upon 12 divided by 5 by 2. Or x is equal to minus 15 by 12 multiplied by 2 by 5. Now reduce this. 2 ones are 2 sixes are 5 ones are 5 threes are 3 ones are 3 twos are. So x is equal to minus 1 by 2. This is the required number. See this question again, children. After solving this is the solution. So this is all about today's concept. Go through the video, revise thoroughly and solve all these questions yourself in your notebook. Thank you.